Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 8 sine t. Because if I put this one goal here, we have a square minus a square sine t square, a square. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 8 cosine t dt. So I will put this one going here and here. Dx we change for this one. So this one that is about a square sine t square. So a square we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. So the square root of a square cosine t square, you got about 8 cosine t to the power of 3. And now we need to simplify 8 to the power of 3 and cosine t. So we have sine t square over cosine t square. So this one, that is about tan t square. About tan t square, that is about secant of t square minus number 1. And now we have the final answer. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 8. And now we can find the value of t equals to arc sine of s over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.